I'm a beautiful rake, a colorful maze for harmony. Oh, I'm a heartbreak babe with a stone cold neck. I'm so charming. Oh, oh. La, 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 la. Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I am pretty much doing a hair review video for you guys. I share with you guys how I installed this unit. And this unit is by Ygwigs. If you guys are unfamiliar with what Ygwigs is, it is a hair company, a very affordable hair company that they provide wigs that is already made. Frontal unit, 360 unit. This unit that I have on is a 360 unit. I did not secure down the back. I only secured down the front because I do not plan on wearing this unit up. Really just wanted to share with you guys how natural it looks and how bomb this frontal is. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this hair. And yeah, their hair is very affordable. I love it. I love it. I love it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, go ahead and check the description box down below for the links and everything that you'll need to go straight to this hair that I have in my head, or just their website. It'll be down there. So go ahead and check that out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I pretty much installed this unit on my head, then definitely keep on watching. But if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe. Hit that button right there. Go ahead, hit it. It's right there. Also, turn your notification bells on. YouTube has updated their settings. So you now have to let YouTube know that you constantly want to be reminded that when I upload a video, instead of just an occasional reminder. So make sure your settings is correct in that matter. So don't forget to enter the 10K giveaway that I have going on. The giveaway ends at the end of September. You guys know the rules, and if you don't, it's in the description box. So go ahead and enter the giveaway. So yeah, with that being said, let's just get into this video. Alright, so I'm just showing you guys how the wig came and how it was packaged. You get the box, you get some clips, a pamphlet with all different types of hair textures that they have, their wigs. And there's a wig cap in there, which most companies do not give you, and a strap with clips in it, additional clips. And then the wig itself comes in a strappable bag, which I thought was really nice. You can use for anything. And the wig also came in a plastic rectangular cover with a hairnet over it, and the curls are really nice. They're very tight, and also has paper inside of it along with the tag on the wig. And I'm just showing you guys the foundation of the wig. I really like it, and the knots and the lace, how transparent it was. And this is after I bleached my frontal and deep conditioned the hair. So this is how the hair looks wet, and I did pluck it just a little bit, but other than that, the wig came pretty good. So now we're gonna get started with the video. So all I did was just apply some, hold on. Ooh, girl, your eyebrows. So all I did was just apply my my stocking cap. I'm gonna take the Got to Be Glued in the black bottle. I love this one. And I already put some on my edges and kind of combed them back just to get them out the way. So if I press down, you can see some of the product like seeping through, but it's not enough to keep the cap just stuck on your head. So I'm just going to go in with this. And really guys, I love using this method. Hair super protected. I do not like putting on units when I don't have a stocking cap on. I hate it. I'm really like covering my hairline. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Glued free spray, and we're just gonna use this to also secure. I'm just gonna use a matte foundation. I think that works best, and a foundation that matches your skin complexion. And doing this gives your frontal the most natural look possible. So as you guys can see, this side right here, like it looks like I'm bald. Like I look bald. And then over here it's just like the natural color of the cap. But we wanna, like, you know, make it blend in our skin. I cannot wait to put her on. I have not cut the lace yet at all. So this is how she looks. It's just slide this back, and I'm going to be using Bold Hold. I think I have another one that's like halfway empty. I'll just use that one. But this one's brand new. So I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna take the towel and we're gonna wipe off any excess, anything, so that the glue can have a better chance at sticking and holding. I'm just gonna take the glue and I'm gonna line my edges, line the edges with my finger. And guys, this product is good if you use it right. Like if you don't use it right, it's not gonna work. The directions are on the bottle. It says to apply skin protectant. I don't, but I'm gonna say that my alcohol is my skin protectant. They do have a skin protectant that is with the line of Bold Hold. It also says to allow to dry until tacking, and you can use up to 5 layers. I'm just gonna use up to 2, and each layer must be clear before adding the next layer. Attach until allow to cure for 24 hours before getting wet. I think I'm gonna do 3 layers. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 layers. All right, yeah, I'm gonna cut my lace and I'll be right back. So our glue is dry, and I'm just gonna line it up before we tack it down. Right over where we applied our glue, and any places that we missed, we're just gonna go back over. So all of that right there was missed. Okay, now we're just tacking down. This and kind of like roll it back like that, so that while it's drying it doesn't get on the lace. The tape on our cap, you do not want to put the tape on your hair, y'all. Do not do that. It's not safe to be on your hair, but it is safe to be on your skin or the cap. And I like to keep my towel with my alcohol on it real close, and then just wipe my finger off. For the most part, I really like this hair company. I really like this unit. This is a 360 unit, and this is 20 inches, I think. Yeah, I think this is a 20-inch 360 unit. I like the density of the hair. It's not too thick at all, but it's hair. Like, you have hair on your head. And the hair does not feel rough. It doesn't feel thick. I love it. The other side off. Yep. And you can also put glue on the tape just for extra security. This is one of the best laces that I have ever used. And I'm just gonna take my scissors and go ahead and cut off the excess. Here is our lace. I think it looks really, really, really good. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take out some hair across the hairline. And then I'm just going to tie my hair down. Okay, so I love this hair. I can flip it to this side if I want. As you guys can see, it still looks good. I can flip it to this side if I want. Still looks good. The hair is very big. The best way I would suggest to take care of this hair is to wet it with water and conditioner, and you can put it in a spray bottle, and then you can spray the hair, and the hair will get really like nice and easy. I haven't had any issues with tangling. This hair does not tangle. The hair is curly, so you know you will get some type of shedding with curly hair. Where in the middle part, you can do like a half up, half down situation. It's super soft, very nice and big. And I also recommend this hair to you guys if you guys are looking for inexpensive hair bundles to purchase a frontal unit that you don't have to make. It's already made and it'll fit your head. Then I'll definitely suggest that you guys go and check this hair company out. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, everything will be down in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out. They are a very good company. They have great customer service, and I have experienced the best result with this hair company. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this hair. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be having a lot more hair videos coming up for you guys. I have a lot of things in mind and a lot of things that I want to do. Even natural hair videos, yes, they're coming. Yeah. So before we go, today's motivational quote is, don't worry about tomorrow because tomorrow has its own words. Each day has enough trouble of its own. So focus on today and remember to leave everything else up to God. I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.